Hey, what's up, everybody? I don't know what happened to my last video. I was making a video right now, but I don't know, it got stopped so I didn't show the process of cutting it off. But in this video, I replaced my exhaust hangers. This is the one I just took off. As you can see, it got all dry and it broke. I cut this side off right here so I can release it from the hanger. And all you gotta use is a knife. I don't know how these got all cracked and it broke. But I got this from AutoZone. And now my exhaust doesn't hang. And I did this side also. I replaced this side. This side was the same as this one, where it broke off from the top. So I replaced it. I replaced it with this. I got two of them. They were like $4.99 a piece. There's a part number. And they fit perfect. Now my exhaust doesn't hang no more. That's what you want. See how this one was all busted out? This one too, this one was busted out up here. See how it's all cracked? It's easy, very easy to do. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, show your support. Peace.